What's going on, guys? I wanted to do a advanced Java tutorial on quite a bit of topics here. Full disclosure though, this is going to be an advanced Java tutorial, so no basics whatsoever. I expect you to already have basic Java experience. Otherwise, none of this is going to make sense. But if you're interested and if you already have some Java experience, I think this will be quite useful. So what we're going to go over is immutable collections, multi-object builder pattern, supplier pattern, bit flags, futures, and null safety in Java, and annotation processing. So why am I going over advanced topics and not the basic ones? Well, because there's a ton of tutorials on basic Java topics. So I wanted to cover these because back in the day, when I tried to find information on these particular topics myself, I wasn't able to find a whole lot of useful information. So I wanted to create these tutorials where advanced Java topics are addressed, and people that are looking for these could get the help they need. I'm going to leave a list of all the topics I'm going to cover in the video description in case you guys want to know. And yeah, let's go.